2025 will be the year of AI transformation. Many SaaS businesses, more so the startups and scale ups, will leverage the power of AI to really scale in an efficient and profitable manner. And as corporate employees, this could be the year for many of us to transform our careers, depending on which side of the fence do we fall on. You could be a pro pilot from the Shakespeare era, but if you don't know how to use the modern airplane technology, then you would be out of job. And that's so true with any profession today. If you don't evolve with the evolving technology, and if you don't know how to leverage it, then your job could be at risk. With AI coming in, I feel the agent and managerial roles are the ones to be at most risk. If you're not adding creative advantage to your job, if you're not adding your brain part to the job, and if you're just doing a repetitive task, it could be easily replaced by AI. I also feel some of the jobs, as I've outlined in my write up above, will be in a boom in terms of their average pay. They could be earning anywhere between 5 to 10x more than the average pay of the rest of the corporate employees, because these job roles are critical during this AI transformation. Take charge of your career, leverage the AI boom, and this could be your turn to fast track your career. Wishing you a very happy new year once again. This is Arun Pillai, founder and CEO, SaaStory.ai.